Hello friends, my name is Nurbasha. Welcome back with another video. Top 5 future tech gadgets you can buy for your laptop in 2016. Ready to know future gadgets for your laptop? These gadgets make your laptop awesome and make you more professional. Here we collect some gadgets that work with your laptop. It doesn't matter if you have Windows or Mac. These all future tech gadgets work in your notebook and laptops. You can also buy these devices from an online store and be a smart user. First, AirBar.
This is AirBar. AirBar brings touch to your new or existing PC by projecting an invisible light field over the screen. And what's good about light is that it responds to pretty much anything. So you can swipe with your gloves or long fingernails, pinch with your chopsticks, scroll while you're cooking, or why not use a paintbrush? You get the idea. With AirBar, you get touch gestures when you need them. It's easy to attach, it's sleek, it won't drain your battery, and you can unplug it when you want to. Best of all, there's no manual, no installation. It's plug and touch. It just works. AirBar, plug and touch when you need it.
Second, Slide and Joy. Third, Zcan.
Our world has changed drastically over the past decade. With the advent of new technologies, we have seen a revolution in mobility. We can now run our lives from virtually anywhere. The problem? We all want to boost productivity, but how can we do it? Introducing Scan Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with Scan Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using Scan Wireless. Just glide Scan Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe Scan Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click. Be an adventurous eater. Scan Wireless can help you to translate foreign languages and make sure you can try new things and actually know what they are. Scan Wireless can even organize everything for you. You can conveniently organize your most important notes and meeting minutes and store in Evernote.
Hi, I'm Sam. My team is passionate to make innovative products to improve your daily life. This is our People-Awesome prototype. Just one more step to make it happen. Share with your friends and come support us on Indiegogo. Thank you. Your support matters.
Four, Aegis Secure Key.
Welcome to the Aegis Secure Key 3.0 Instructional Series, Section 1, Establishing the Administrator Personal Identification Number, or Admin PIN for short. Before you can do anything on the Secure Key 3.0, you first have to establish an admin PIN. Once that's set, you can then program key functions, add a second user PIN, or you can skip all of that and put this drive right to work using the admin PIN as your sole access. When creating an admin pin, and the second user pin for that matter, remember that each one has to be between 7 and 16 characters in length and can't be repeating or sequential numbers like 99999 or 123456 by pressing the unlock button. At this point, you'll see the green and blue LEDs steadily illuminated, indicating that it doesn't have an admin pin programmed yet. Next, press the unlock and the 9 button simultaneously. Now the green LED will be blinking and the blue LED remains steadily illuminated. Enter your unique PIN and press the unlock button again. The blue LED should go out momentarily while the green LED continues blinking. Wait a second or two and the blue LED will resume illuminating steadily. Now just enter that same PIN again to confirm it. Press the unlock button one last time. When you see the blue LED illuminated by itself, you'll know you've successfully added the admin pin, and, by the way, you're also in the admin mode, where you can now set key function parameters or add another user, which we'll cover in our next video tutorial. To exit the admin mode, press the lock button, or do nothing for 30 seconds, and the secure key will return to its locked state. If you'd like to just have the admin pin as the only programmed pin, that's fine. When you want to use the drive in the future, just press the unlock button, enter your admin pin, and press the unlock button again. The green blinking LED lets you know that your secure key is ready to be plugged into a USB port and put right to work. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and check out our other instructional videos on the Aegis Secure Key 3.0 at apricorn.com. 3.0 at apricorn.com.
5. Celeon Ultra Portable Full-Size Virtual Laser Keyboard.
Introducing the Celeon Magic Cube, a world of possibilities at your fingertips. The Magic Cube is a projection keyboard that doubles as a virtual multi-touch mouse. It's 2 revolutionary mobile input devices in one small package. The Magic Cube laser projects a full-size keyboard onto nearly any flat, opaque surface and requires very little space to operate. The Magic Cube is a perfect companion to tablet PCs, smartphones, laptops, and desktop PCs. It's compatible with the latest mobile devices, including the iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and many other mobile devices that support Bluetooth HID without installing a driver. It's small, light, and easy to carry. The Magic Cube has a long-lasting rechargeable battery and a power-saving mode that allows the user to turn off the laser projector to extend battery life, and then easily turn it back on with a simple gesture. The Magic Cube works with Celeon's EPT technology. The pattern projector simply projects a keyboard onto your workspace. The real magic happens as the central optical sensor works with an invisible infrared layer to determine the exact 3D position of your fingers as you type. Because the Magic Cube uses an invisible infrared layer, typing is a little different than with physical keys, but you'll be typing comfortably in no time with a little practice. Start by resting your palms on the workspace and elevating your fingers just above the projected keys. You can get acquainted with the key positions by looking at the key pattern and listening to the sounds that correspond to each keystroke. Most users start with a hunt and peck style and add more fingers as they become comfortable with the technique. The learning curve is short, and it's fun to try different approaches to find what's most comfortable for you. The Magic Cube is an amazingly accurate, full-size projection keyboard that's very portable and easy to take with you almost anywhere. The Magic Cube also easily doubles as a virtual computer mouse. You can perform common mouse operations using only your fingers, and you can navigate using simple gestures. Setting up the Magic Cube is quick and easy. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your mobile device or your PC. The Magic Cube is compatible with Apple iOS 4 and Mac OS 10, Microsoft Windows, Windows Phone 7, and Google Android 2 and later. The Magic Cube charges using the supplied cable and any standard USB port. It can also operate via USB. The Magic Cube is made with durable materials that are easy to keep clean and sanitary, and there are no moving parts. A world of possibilities at your fingertips. The Celeon Magic Cube.
So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on thumbs up button below. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Signing off.